we are, Arches Visitor Center to pick up our fiery furnace permit. Welcome to the Fiery Furnace, Arches National Park. This is the regulation and kind of warning sign, all the things you can and can't do. One of the things you definitely want to do is get a permit if you plan on going deep into the Fiery Furnace beyond the viewpoint. So let's check it out. Today, my wife and I are going to be exploring the Fiery Furnace, and this place is going to be amazing. Here's just a quick view right from the very beginning of the trail. And this place is quite an enigma because as much as it's the Fiery Furnace, it is also going to be a freezer for this early January visit. But I am super excited. We're going to go deep into all the canyons we can possibly find and check it all out. We are just approaching the viewpoint now. But right as you hit the wash, you actually want to go up the wash, right where my wife is now.
Where'd you go?
Hi. And then you got to climb up there. It's an alcove. An alcove!
Honey, you're supposed to be quiet.
Whoa. And a natural bridge at the very end. It's just a baby. Pretty cool. So we've made about a dozen wrong turns already, and the GPS is the saving grace. You could just be going all kinds of the wrong way and still make it, not a big deal. But finding this was a little out of the way. But it's all part of the fun, I think, and this place just isn't that big, so you'll be lost and then you'll be found and all will be well. At least that's what we're hoping for. Well, it popped out to this, and it's really awesome. This is like the cauldron of the Fiery Furnace. That way is really nuts. Oh. Really wild. They're not very good. Woo. It hasn't gotten any less cool. I'll definitely say that. This place is nuts. Look at that.
Hi.
Wow. And there's the whole deal. Here's my wife just on the other side of the arch, and I'm on the edge of a cliff.
So at least it's a really soft sand. Or like a bevy.
God. She's in the narrow part of the slot. Whoa. So this totally looks like a dead end. But if you go just a little further and take off your backpack, you actually go totally skinny into this thing.
Just the right size boobies.
Wow.
Oh, wait, no, there's no getting through here.
So it looks like we got to take the high road after all. The slot on the right did not work out, but upon further investigation, we've got little steps right here. The mystery has been solved because of that little arrow. Wow, good thing. Really interesting. Oh boy. That's it. That's the way. So generally, the dead ends have been pretty cool. The rangers encourage exploration. Go back on the trail. There's a step. There you go. Little carved in stairs. And then we'll head off this way. Who knows where it goes from here? Cool little dead ends all over the place. Huge dark cavern down below. Right in there. All kinds of cool stuff. So this is about the second dozen times we've been lost, but we have gotten back on the trail according to the GPS, and we are headed for Surprise Arch now. But boy, this path is super unlikely through narrow passages. Wow. The final passage to Surprise Arch. Oh, cool. Zooming out, we are right underneath this bad boy. I think this is the grand finale. and it is pretty cool. Yeah, definitely go up the dead end signs. I'm surprised the Park Service did that. This surprise arch is really awesome. So enjoy. All right, time to head back down to the main trail. But one epic scene, no question. Beautiful. And there's my beautiful wife right there. Just gotta walk this little ledge, and we are back on our way to a cushy night at the Marriott. That is neat. Way cool stairway. I had incredibly high expectations for this adventure. I haven't been Arches in like 40 years. I hate to date myself like that.
Fiery furnace.
Fiery furnace in 40 years. Thank you, honey. And I had really high expectations, and I'm going to say those expectations were met on this little adventure. This is fantastic. So definitely a lot of route finding and some scrambling skills are requisite for this trip. That said, it's not that big and there's a ton of footprints, so you probably will be able to find your way eventually. And I could see it being somewhat intimidating, but still way worth the trip. And then the GPS, while it didn't work perfectly in all these tight spaces, it worked plenty good enough. So that's my story, and it's getting a little convoluted yet again, but this is a really fun half-day adventure that I'd say the whole family can enjoy as long as they don't mind climbing around a little bit. So hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did. We'll see you on the next one.